morning, morning. The birds of the sky. They're all hanging out here. Yeah, it seems like it's going out. But right now it seems like it's coming back up now. I'm all the way down here and the water is fine. Like I said before, water stays warm till October. Oh yeah. Yeah, these are the birds of the sky. Here's got one. They're hungry. Just wanted to let you know. What do we have out here? My buddies of the sky. I get a little closer. Sometimes they just fly away. Here we are. There's the dunes. There's the dunes. Yeah, it's low tide. This ocean went all the way down. And my buddies of the sky, all they do is hanging out here, like always. Look at this. Containers. I counted about 8 or 9 ship containers. You see? See if I could zoom in for you people. In dry land, let's see if I could zoom in. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. How many are there? There are a whole bunch. Let's go back to the left. Go back to the left. Here we go. Further east. There they are. Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. All right, people in dry land, just to let you know, this is September 19th. September 19th, and the water is still really warm. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, I still go in the water. Yeah, I still go in the water. It's just I gotta be careful with the wind. The wind starts picking up with the chill. Water's warm, warmer than the air. That's the way it happens. I'm gonna give you a little meditation here. People in dry land, this is for you, meditation. Don't forget, you can zoom in, because I'm taking some pictures over here for you guys. I know it's the same, you're probably gonna say, this is boring. It's the same thing every day. No, it's not. The surface is different. The birds of the sky is still here all year round. Yeah, let me climb down. I just want you to know, look. The surf comes all the way up here like always. And of course it's going down. It pounds down. I always say that. It pounds, takes all that sand out. All the sand. So I got to walk all the way down here. Here we go. I know I'm moving around. Stand still. There we go. One more time. See if I could zoom in so you guys could see Robert Moses. Yeah, it's all the way down yonder. It's all the way down. You can probably barely see the pencil. It's a little foggy out there. All right, oh man, no more zooming in. No more zooming in. There we go. Nice. Really, really nice. I like this. Here comes a nice wave. It's for meditation, people. This is beautiful out here. I always say that. You walk right to the water. Right here. I could be doing this for another month or so. The water's really warm. Come November, December, forget about it. I won't be out here. January, it's cold out here. You know, the season. Summer's over. Here we go. Nice. Really nice. Yeah, I gotta be careful out here. Be careful out here. That's comes in here. Here comes another wave here. Yeah, it's strong. These things are strong. The surf's are really strong. Here we go. All right. Another day in paradise. That's what I always say. Another day in paradise. All right, people in Dryland. This is a Monday. Hope everybody's well. I always say that. Not too many people. Say good morning. There's still grouch. There's a plane up yonder. Oh, you gotta zoom in for that. You gotta zoom in for that. All right, the birds of the sky. There they go. There they go. Birds of the sky. They're all moving. Something must have happened. They must have stopped. Yeah, they were over here. Look at it. They're all gone. Yeah, they must have seen the fish. When you see them all the way like that, like it's an activity going on. Look at that. Oh, they're coming back. Oh, they're coming back. They're coming back. The birds of the sky are all coming back. I thought I had some action over there. All right. Bobby Bandana saying, let's have another beautiful day. Hasta la vista. Gotta look good here. Gotta look good, like always. Take it out, go, go, go. That way. That way, there we go.